What's up there, y'all? Hog Ridge Outdoors out here. We have 3 keeper lane snapper, 1 keeper yellowtail that we caught off camera, so I'm gonna show y'all how we doing it. All I got is about a 2-foot feeder to a knocker rig with a 1/4 ounce egg weight to a 1 ounce circle hook, and all I'm doing is getting me some live bait, some live greenbacks I got just cast netted this morning. Hook up through the nose. We went trolling for some kingfish today. Hooked into a kingfish, cut us off. So there goes about 20 bucks. Well, that's 2 rods, so 40. But yeah, just hook them through the nose, kind of like that, and they're loving it. Oh, well, not really like that. You gotta make sure they stay on the hook. Rig some up, y'all understand what we're talking either way. Just some greenbacks, or pilchards as we like to call them. Just hook them through the nose, like so, just like that. Dropping it down 25 feet. We were just trolling and I saw a big old wad of fish. Oh, giant school yellowtail behind those.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Go in there.
What the? Where? Did you see them?
I just jumped up.
Oh, well, that's wrong. Yeah, it's a giant school yellowtail. I need my snapper right here. Oh. Or it might be fly fish, y'all. We keep seeing a lot of fly fish. They do like bite. There we go. That's a good one. Oh, it's a catfish. Mahi. These cougars are small. Gonna need my pliers. It's kind of like barracudas and dolphins. Once you hook them, they usually go with it. But as long as we don't find big old water. I might gotta tie me on a snapper because these those aren't. They're staying in uniform. Yeah, they're giant school yellowtails. You can see their yellow tails. That's why we call them yellowtail. Yellowtail snapper, not a rainbow runner. Because I know on the Pacific coast, y'all call them rainbow yellowtails. We were catching the mangrove snapper good over at the bridge on Cut Valley, but then we're catching the good side yellowtails and lane snapper on live bait. Kind of weird how, and we're fishing shallow for yellowtails. Usually you gotta be in at least 60 foot for some good size for yellowtails, but we're finding them in 25 foot. The gold side too, you usually don't see them like that. I marked it and we came back to it. Fish! Holy lane snapper keeper! He just threw a piece of squid at me, y'all. Keeper yellowtail. Oh no, it's a baby. No, it's a lane snapper. So these dudes gotta be 8 inches. what he does, but I'll show you all a cooler. Actually, wait. Fun fact about yellowtail snapper, even though I have a lane snapper in my hand, they're the only snapper. There we go. They are the only snapper that you can lift, and their teeth kind of feel like this bass or tarpon or snow. But yeah, little lane snapper. He might make it, but I'll be back. Oh, don't follow me. Yes, he is a big keeper. He is 7, 8, 8.5. Big old yellowtail that I caught alive. Big old lane snapper, some other keeper lane snapper. We're doing pretty good. All the rigged ballyhoods I spent a long time rigging. Oh, okay. He's just got the skunk. No more. Gotta get me a new one. Perfect size right there. You can see him kind of small over here. We catch a lot of the bigger pilchards up in the other part of the Tampa area. Yesterday we were using snapper hooks, but today just went for extra down there. Oh yeah, big old waterfish coming across. They're loving the skunk. That's for sure. Oh, fish. Oh, big one! Ripper, baby. Big old lane snapper, y'all. Big old lane snapper. That's why you come for the keys. Catfish. So, good way to tell the difference between these lane snapper and the mutton snapper. Lane snapper have yellow lines. Hold up, I'll show y'all. Here. So, lane snapper have these yellow lines, but still have that dot. And mutton snapper have bars instead of lines. It's a good size yellowtail. But yeah, that's how you tell the difference between a lane snapper and mutton snapper. Well, hey, we're catching fish. Those lane snappers fight hard. Can't fight like a mangrove because of their big broad tail. Might get you back down to the rock. But it's best for them to come back to the coast. But hey, nothing better than your home water. Barracuda celested, right? Or is it nice lane snapper? Or some sort of snapper. But some toothy. Gotta get into the bait. Right at the inlet. Big old yellowtail. We'll see. He may not. When you hit the tail scope, you would stretch because it used to not be legal, but then they FWC legalized it. So let's go see about this one. I think he'll make it. I'm pretty confident. as long as that frigate bird don't come and take my fish. Okay, so I could probably whip this one. They may not have sharp as this one, but they have sharp spines. Ow. Nope, he is 1 inch short. He was almost there. So close, but so far. There we go. Still have a good amount of it. We didn't go to the bridge at snapper this time. We went to the bridge to catch bait. Oh, that just pooped all those fish. I'm trying to not catch catfish, I'm catching catfish. Right. Catfish. As soon as the bite, it went up, it went back down. As soon as I pulled out the camera too. I'm telling y'all, as soon as you pull out the camera, the bite comes up. But then as soon as you put it away, it's back. Don't be a catfish, don't be a catfish. It's a lane snapper. Yes, he is too small. He is definitely not 8 inches. Yet they pull so hard. Such a little fish, but so fierce. Finger in there. Going back. Goodbye. Go tell your mama to come back my hook. Alright, y'all, so we didn't catch the limit today like we did the other day, but some pretty nice yellowtails and some pretty large sized lane snapper caught on live pilchards on a knocker rig. Y'all probably saw that. But I'm going to show y'all how to fillet these. But we still got a bucket of fish, so that's fine. And you just come right down through here. Like this. I should probably sharpen my knife before, but that's alright. And just kind of come down the backbone, just like so. Can't really miss any meat. Kind of hard to do that. And you don't want to cut all the way through. You just flip it over. Look how white that meat is, y'all. You just spin it down. A lot of these fish swallow the hook, so they're practically pre-bled. And perfect meatless fillet there, y'all. And then just do it, same thing on the other side. And
oh, your battery died.
No, it didn't. It just turns off.
Oh.
No, that stops it.
Okay.
And just flip it around. Do the same thing down this side. And then throw this in, feed manatees. And take your fillet over here. Can y'all see that? I hope y'all can. And cut right down through the rib cage. Take out the rib cage. Feed that to the fishes. And feel for the pin bones. There isn't any, and you have a perfect fillet, kind of. Yeah, perfect yellowtail snapper fillet. And just, I'm gonna do it real quick on this side. don't really want to saw through your fish. Kind of just want your knife to glide through, but my knife is dull, so just kind of take these pin bones out. Move around this side, cut down right here, cut down. If it would come out, that'd be nice. Feed the maharas. Perfect, 2 boneless yellowtail snapper fillets. And I'm going to show you how to fillet the lane snapper right here. Big old boy. He measured in at 12 inches, I believe. And they only got to be 8, and you can keep 10. But, you know. But right after I turned off the camera, I caught a blue runner. So I put it down there. And I hooked into probably a pretty nice sized barracuda. But he ran under the boat and into the anchor. And I didn't have any wire on, so he cut me off. And yeah. Right before I start filleting these fish, I browned them down. And so they're nice and stiff. You really want to take good care of this meat. Oh, I missed some meat right there. My knife is really dull. You don't want to miss any meat. If you miss any, that's alright, but still, you want to take good care of these fish because they sacrificed for us. Here, I'm going to move my fillet over there. Exactly how you fillet the yellowtails, finger snapper, all that grunts. Perfectly see-through. Back it goes. And just do kind of same thing. That's its, I don't even know. Probably had an empty stomach. Cut out the rib cage. Oh, I missed the water there. And peeled the bones right here. And just kind of slice down through there. And take them out because it doesn't feel good when you have bones stuck in your throat. I'm trying to take these out just like so, and you have your nice lane snapper fillet right there. Oh, got a little bit of skin on there, but that's alright, it'll cook off. Just do the same exact thing right there. And I will see y'all in the next video.